Well, she's on the ground. Need a little bit of wedging. You can see where it, hold on a sec. Not 100% perfect. I had the notch kind of going like more like that way. But what happened was these trees right here, these ironwood, the limb on the side of the elm there was kind of, it caught those. I kind of figured it would catch those and twist it that way, so it did exactly what I thought it was going to do. That's why I was kind of leery of these ironwood here. But anyways, she went down like pretty much where I wanted to. I kind of wanted it over here more, but like I say, the ironwood kind of made it go that way, twisted it. It caught on that branch right there, and you could see it when it was falling. Well, you couldn't see it, but I could. Okay guys, got that limbed up. I'm going to take that out, those two chunks, and then I'll come back and get that little bit of stuff. Alright, and then once I get this out, I got that little elm to cut out by my house. I'm going to do that, and I think that'll be it for today. Okay. Stay tuned. Range first gear, pretty wide load. Should have had my wide load signs on. I don't know if I'm going to get through that gate up here or not, but we'll see. Okay guys, back up here at the house. I got one more small tree to cut just down here by the lawn. This is what I brought out this morning. It's almost lunchtime. Pretty good pile. Gotta cut it up, but I got one more tree and I got lots to do this afternoon. I want to put our canoe away for the winter. I got some stuff in the garden to clean up. I dug the potatoes the other day, so I'm going to show you guys the potato crop. And I switched out saws. I got my MS 170 here. I'm going to try it out on the small elm. It'll be the biggest tree this saw cut so far. I'm going to try it out, see how it works. I put my 036 away. Okay, let's go down and have a look at this tree. Look at my tires. Cows. I love cows. Crappy tires. Okay, stay tuned guys. Okay guys, we're down here at the elm, the dead elm. It's just a small little guy. I brought the tractor in down there because I really don't want to drive up through here on my lawn because this time of year it's kind of soft. Besides, I got a little tree planted there, and this tree is leaning out on my lawn here, but there's a little spruce over there I don't want it to hit. And then I have a little tree planted right there, a little oak tree. You can't really see it. So I'm hoping this guy will go over there if I can, without too much trouble. Okay guys, I'll set you guys up, and we got the little MS 170 here. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, didn't go so bad. It was kind of a fine line because I didn't want it to smash this apple tree limb. and I didn't want it to smash that spruce. I didn't think it was going to reach that spruce anyway, but it came pretty close though. But kind of want it to go over there more, but it's all right. No trees were damaged, but I'm starting to look at these ash tree. This is an ash. There's a couple back in there, little ones, and they have signs of the emerald ash borer in them. Both of them, this one and the ones back there I just looked at. I'm not going to cut those today, but there'll be another project for another day. But it's too bad. I already cut some in here last spring. I don't know if you remember my one video. I cut one right there, and then a few over in the other woods. Okay guys, stay tuned, and I think that's going to be it for today for cutting wood. Skid this out. I'm going to skid the whole top and everything out to the wood pile. Get rid of the brush up there. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.